it's in my trust. You know, God forbid pass away, it's staying in the family. It's got a lot of memories, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into it. It's just a long story behind it. I mean, I've always loved this body style, the Corvettes of the early years, the C1s. Once I had the opportunity to actually purchase one, I mean, it was a no-brainer. I mean, I just had to have it, even though my parents thought I was crazy at the time, at 19, you know, to be buying something. It was just a true love, you know. You know, we thought about just leaving it at LeeHigh for an extended period of time because we knew the work that they did. And I gave them the liberty of just the time, and I was under no timetable, but I just knew that the work could be done right. I think just the knowledge and the know-how of the people here, they know how to work on any car. I think anybody who may be contemplating it, I think that they can get testimonials from someone like me or other, you know, customers who have been here. And with the network with Sterling Hot Rods today, I would imagine there isn't any project that isn't too big that they can't accomplish.